This, your cleaning is not properly good. You understand?
Yes, yes.
First is chemical. Okay. Second is temperature. Third is time. Fourth is mechanical. Action. Here is procedure. This is the five. But cleaning is not good. You understand?
Yes.
What do you understand from here? Somebody can tell us?
Chemical is the chemical we use
Okay.
pertaining to the furnitures or windows, glasses, floors. Chemical we use.
Okay.
Okay. The temperature is the this varies for the outside or inside.
This chemical is what we use. First, we have to know soil, what type of soil, and what chemical we should use. That's a chemical action. Okay? For example, if we have a kitchen, we use a ward, or for bathroom, we use not possible. Doesn't come. So we have to use the right chemical, the right place. If furniture polish we use in the kitchen, it's possible.
No.
So that's why you need to know every chemical, every area, and when the chemical different dilutions come. This is a system already. You have a automatic dilutions. For example, Biotech or anything you have, it says to you use 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 30. So when you make a dilution, also you need to put the bucket, water, then chemical. Not chemical, then water. So you have to know this when you cleaning the floor. First you put the water, then you put the chemical. So that's the dilution where you have to use. And never ever put this way, or any chemical should be labeled. Same like this one. Because should be labeled. Why? Some people they put if you see this product, the color is like a water.
Yes.
Some people they put a drinking water, small bottle, they put it, and another you put in the any place, someone can drink it. So this is another thing is you have to be careful. You have to use a labeled bottle. Should be every time. Okay? Now, this is the chemical. Temperature. Every chemical needs temperature, either hot or cold. For example, when we clean the oven, we need temperature, hot temperature. When we clean the bathroom, we need the cold. When we clean the refrigerator, we need cold. So different soil, we need to use different temperatures. have to know the temperature where you need to use hot temperature, cold temperature. So every chemical it makes reaction. The water also it make reaction with the chemical. Some of the chemical, if you use concentrate, doesn't work. You have to dilute to get reaction with the water. Chemical start reaction starting to be active with the dilution. When it's concentrate, doesn't mean that it will be very strong. No, sometimes it's wrong. Sometimes the dilution it makes power. So you have to know. And temperature, the temperature where you need to use different place, different surfaces. Okay, time. Some of the chemical need time. When you spray or clean, keep it for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, like the oven. You spray, you need temperature, you need time, spray, keep it, the oil and grease and all this, let it, sometimes when there's a temperature, it make foam. The liquid, it make foam. That means reaction starting. Time, temperature, Z and chemical. So all the three, it works together and make the cleaning results. Gives you result. If you do not have one of that, your result will be not good. You understand me?
Yes.
Now, time, mechanical action. Mechanical action is some need to scrub, some need to wipe, some need to mop, some need so many. This is the mechanical action. This is what we doing, cleaning, scrubbing, mopping, all this. This is the mechanical action from human. Where's that
Scrubber.
scrubbers? No, the one.
Oh, you like your basket?
Where's the one I brought? When it's used for, it helps for the mechanical action. This is where scrubbing, different type of scrubbings. So this is what we use in the cleaning. For example, in the furniture polish, we don't need this. We need cloth, wiping.
Yeah. Soft.
And the bathroom, we maybe need this. In the kitchen, we maybe need this. Different type of. So for scrubbing, somewhere you need piping, wiping. Somewhere you need the mopping. So different type. When we have a mopping, then the other you use. In the floor, maybe you need some scrubbing, some stick it there, so you need to scrub it. So this is all you need to use. Maybe steel wool, different type of tools to use for scrubbing. Those anti-scratches and all this, all we use. Grill, all carbon, dishes to remove the oil and grease. So with the mechanical action, chemical action, time, temperature, all four work together, you get a good result.
Cleaning.
Understand? This is the where you have to have this knowledge, because since you're doing cleaning, you will face some of the houses very dirty, some of the houses medium dirty, some of the houses nice, light dirty. So depend. So you need to use, depend what you need to use. Some chemical where you need to use. Okay? That's the comes procedure. Procedures means if I start cleaning, for example, uh, this wall, should I start from up or down? Or also I need some of the floors there's can damage when I clean here. If I start from bottom, so it will not reach, but I will start from here to down. And here I need to put also some safety to not to touch the floor. Floor maybe could be damaged, but this is not damaging because same tiles. Some of the floors there is parquet or something, or vinyl, or maybe could damage. So, for example, when we go to the kitchen, where we start, bathroom, where we start, what to do, we will start from the toilet seat, all the equipment, then the last, the floor. So this is a procedure where you need to start and to end it. When you go to the bathroom, you start with the word and keep it time, then start cleaning the outside of the toilet seat, then the wash basin, then you come back again, then the glass, then the walls. Glass is the floor where you need, this is the procedure. Okay? So we understand now chemical, what chemical we should use, how to dilute, all this is chemical, time and temperature we should have every place, and the mechanical action we should have some tools for helps us as a cleaning to get the result. That's the 5 factor of the cleaning and procedure. Where we should start, always we start from top to down. Okay, and when we start, for example, we're doing this clothes. We don't spray straight away to the bottles. It might damage to the, because it spreads. So what we do is also, this is a 8. We should make it this way.
Video banana.
वही बनाना
That way. And spray it here. Once you finish, then turn here, you finish, then you turn here, spray, spray. This is the way to do it. You have to make this square and spray and clean instead of spraying straight away. Unless then the space on the floor, maybe you can, yes, but some of the furniture very sensitive, or you have some of the light expensive, so you cannot spray like this. Maybe it comes to your eyes. It's a harm. So you need to have also safety glasses, much better. Gloves, that's for the safety also. Always use gloves and glasses. Can come to your eyes. Okay, so this is what you need to provide.
We have the gloves available, I think.
Safety glasses and gloves.
The glasses we can bring it. The gloves is available
Yeah,
on the.
it's a very cheap, not much
Is
expensive.
it,
but
this chemical is danger to the skin or something?
no, but we don't recommend. You see, this is a strong, it's a degreaser. I can wash my hand, no problem. A word, very strong. I can wash my hand. I'm gonna show you now. See, our, it's not a danger, But we don't recommend. You have to use always gloves. All the product what we supply, I don't know others, but whatever we supply, all is not a danger. It comes to, but some of the people have allergy, or even the glass cleaner has allergy to, they don't. So that's why we recommend every time use gloves. But as a danger wise, so not a danger, so we don't recommend. Let me have some washing on.
All purpose, multi-surface.
Okay.
It means
Any surface.
any surface. Then, yeah. I want to ask if it's good for the furniture because some of our clients is they have furniture
Okay,
and
no problem.
yeah.
We'll answer your question.
Is it good for
Okay, now. So now here, you're okay up to now.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm gonna talk about the chemical. Your question, this product is diluted.